Hey guys, it's Jenny from Mycreativemanner here. After my little trip to Hobby Lobby the other day, I got thinking about my Christmas decorations in our home and some of the things that I wanted to change up this year. One of them is in our foyer. I've got that sign that says home, and I want to change that to say Noel. I'm going to use this wreath here for the O, and I thought I would show you how I'm doing it. So I'm going to start with this bow. It's a pretty simple bow to make. So let's go ahead and get started. This ribbon is about 28 inches, I believe is what I measured it out to be. So I just flip it around, and I want about a 4-inch tail. And and I just take and pinch, kind of gather it. And then I take and measure the other side to make sure I'm getting them even. And again, I'm just going to kind of pinch and gather. And so they're kind of crossed over. And then I've got the back, so I'm just going to bring that up and pinch and gather again. And kind of make that. Then I'm going to take my trusty little pipe cleaner and wrap it around, tie, twist it tight, and there you have it. So then I fluffed the wreath already, and now I just want to add to a little spot. I want mine at the bottom, which it would look cute at the top as well, but I think I want mine at the bottom. So with the pipe cleaner, just wrap it around the wreath and twist this. I got all of my supplies at Hobby Lobby. The ribbon come on a big spool. The little wreath, it was in the the miniature section, is I guess what you'd say. So then I just kind of fluff the bow a little bit and get it where I want it. Now, I thought these things were absolutely adorable. They're little pine cones with little berries on them, gathered together in a little bundle. They are twist ties. So, I'm just going to place these around the wreath somewhere where I want them. Again, I'm just going to kind of wrap and twist. And I kind of want it balanced, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other side straight across from. I'm losing my tie here. Maybe that spot's not working for me. I think I got the wreath was on sale for, well, I think originally they're $3.99, and then I think they were on the 40% off last week, was it? I don't know. Kind of placing them where I think it would look cute. I don't want it overpowering, just something to add a little something to it. And then the one right up at the top. And there you have it. Cute little bow, cute little wreath. And it didn't take me very long to make it.